If you are not sure during conducting root cause analysis, or if you still ask some questions after the conducting root cause analysis, then watch this video because I will tell you 5 common mistakes people make during the root cause analysis. And by the end of this video, you will understand the key factors that you need to check to ensure your root cause analysis is correct. Number 1. Insufficient problem definition. A well-defined problem is just as important as root cause analysis because a missing problem or insufficient definition will absolutely mislead our root cause analysis. If it is missing, then our questions during the root cause analysis will be different. Therefore, the outcome will be different. And ultimately, our root cause that we will find will completely incorrect or missing. So it is quite important to ensure that the defined problem is the correct one. I added a link on video description for the 5W2H problem definition for those who want to learn it. You can just check this out. Number 2. Asking insufficient questions. During the 5 whys analysis, we ask why to understand the underlying reasons of the problem. But a why can mean 2 or more different questions. So you need to ask with the full sentence during the root cause analysis, not only why. Let me give an example to understand better. Let's say our problem is Hoyle misalignment and we will conduct a root cause analysis for the non-detection to understand why we couldn't detect the Hoyle misalignment failure. So the first question is why we couldn't detect this? The answer is because the parts were not checked by the control fixture. Okay, then why it was not checked by the control fixture? Because the control fixture was sent to calibration and not returned on time. So here we can ask 2 different questions. First question is, why then production continued without the control fixture? And the second question is, why we don't have an alternative control method? So here we focus the root cause analysis, and most probably we will have 2 different root cause analysis by the end of this route. So basically, if we just ask one why, we cannot understand and our root cause would most probably be incorrect. So it is very important to ask full question of why. I have also added a link for the 5 whys root cause analysis in this video description. You can also check this out. Number 3. Lack of expertise. Team knowledge is very important, and this is one of the common mistakes that people do. If you try to conduct root cause analysis without the expert people of the process, you will most probably give wrong answers, and your answers can also be subjective. So it is very important to involve subject matter experts as much as possible. Because the thing is, to ask the right questions, you need to have basic knowledge of the process. And to answer the questions, you need to know the process well. So it is very important to involve process experts or subject matter experts as much as possible. Because if our answers is insufficient and wrong, then the root of the root cause will mislead us. And ultimately, the root cause that we will find will be incorrect. Number 4. Incomplete root cause analysis. Sometimes we might be tend to finish the root cause analysis after a few questions, but it is very wrong because if we don't try to go deep as much as possible to find the real systemic root cause, we will most probably face the same failure in the future. So it is very important to insisting to question of over and over again until find the real systemic root cause. Number 5. Not using of all necessary tools. When we say root cause, 5 whys is the one that we always use. However, there are some other supportive tools that we might need, like Fishbone, which is the brainstorming tool that we identify potential causes of a problem, and also fault tree analysis, which is a very important tool to verify the potential causes to understand whether they are really a cause or not. These kind of tools are important because these tools make our analysis more tangible rather than a subjective. Thank you for watching. We talk about the 5 common mistakes during the root cause analysis. And if you want to learn more, in the video description, I left the link of full course of root cause analysis. You can also check this out. Thank you.